What is the best way to seal open caulk tube for reuse? I am a homeowner who uses caulking sporadically. What is the best way to reseal the tube for use in 6 months or even a year later? Is there an industry agreed upon method? Question from user PK out at Stack Exchange. Answer: the industry agreed upon method you seek is buy a new tube in 6 months to a year. Industry hasn't got much reason to spend worker time and storage space on saving an expendable product that is always better and more reliable when fresh. Of course, industry also typically has another job less than a week away where it can be used without taking too many precautions. So methods for saving caulking for a long time come from homeowners and similar small-time users. Noting first that success is far from guaranteed, my personal approach is to tie or tape a bit of plastic bag over the nozzle and then pump out enough caulking to fill the small pouch of plastic bag. I'm looking for something in the golf ball size range, not a marble and not a tennis ball. I do this because past experience with capping the spout is that the stuff in the end of the spout always hardens. The blob over the end of the spout makes the amount that has to harden to get where it's difficult to remove from the spout greater, and gives a handle to slowly stretch and pull out if it's not hardened too far into the nozzle. It's a balance of wasting some caulking to hopefully be able to use the rest. If you happen to live in a market where screw-on spouts are standard, you may have better options. I had some specialized aquarium silicone that had managed to plug up the nozzle, but it was one with a screw-on nozzle not standard in my market area, and the base of the nozzle was not yet hard, so I was able to get it out by unscrewing the nozzle. As a last gasp after the nozzle is irretrievably plugged, you can cut the tube open, where you may find the whole tube has hardened and you throw it away, or you can do one more job by spreading the caulking with a putty knife, and then throw what's left away. Answer from user Eknerwall at Stack Exchange.